How to change Business Cash app to a personal account. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to change Business Cash app to a personal account. First, open the Cash app mobile application, just like you can see here. Next, tap on the profile icon here. You will land on the profile section of your Cash app account, as you can see here. Once you are here, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page. Once you are here, make sure you tap this option named Support. This is the support page of Cash app, as you can see here. Here, there are options that you can use to get solutions to issues you face on the app. From those options, make sure you tap this one here named Account and Settings. After that, you will see other options. These are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of your Cash app account. Next, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page. Once you are here at the bottom, make sure you tap this option named Chat. It is under the Contact Us section. Finally, the Cash app chat box will appear. Here, you are supposed to type a short message asking them to convert or change your business account to a personal account. Send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to change Business Cash app to a personal account.